Join me as I take on the challenge of keeping my conservatory perfectly comfortable in every season, no matter the weather. Having a comfortable conservatory is essential for relaxation and enjoyment. It's a space where you can unwind, read a book, or enjoy a cup of coffee while taking in the beautiful views of your garden. But let's be real, it can be a challenge to maintain that perfect comfort level throughout the year. From scorching summers to freezing winters, the temperature fluctuations can be overwhelming. Temperature control is one of the biggest hurdles in keeping a conservatory comfortable. In the winter, it can get freezing cold, while in the summer, it can feel like an oven. And if you're like me, you've probably experienced the frustration of trying to find that perfect temperature sweet spot. Not to mention the humidity control issues. Too much moisture and you'll be dealing with condensation too little, and it's dry as the Sahara Desert. Another common issue is dealing with direct sunlight. In the summer, the sun can be blazing, making your conservatory feel like a greenhouse. And in the winter, the lack of sunlight can make it feel dark and gloomy. It's a constant battle to find the right balance between natural light and artificial light sources. And let's not forget about the noise levels. Whether it's the sound of rain pounding on the roof or the chirping of birds outside, finding a way to minimize distractions can be a challenge in itself. But despite these challenges, it's not impossible to create a comfortable conservatory that you'll love spending time in. With the right strategies and tools, you can overcome these obstacles and create a space that's perfect for relaxing and unwinding. So, what are some solutions to these common challenges? Well, one of the most effective ways to regulate temperature is through the use of heating and cooling systems. For example, underfloor heating can be a great option for colder months, while ceiling fans can help circulate the air and keep things cool in the summer. Another approach is to use thermal curtains or blinds to insulate the space and block out harsh sunlight. In terms of humidity control, dehumidifiers can be a game changer. These devices can help remove excess moisture from the air, preventing condensation and making the space feel more comfortable. And when it comes to noise levels, adding sound-absorbing materials like acoustic panels or area rugs can make a huge difference. By incorporating these solutions into your conservatory design, you can create a space that's perfect for relaxation. But if I had to pick one standout solution that can dramatically improve comfort in the conservatory, it would have to be the use of smart glazing technology. This innovative solution allows you to control the amount of sunlight that enters the space, reducing glare and heat gain in the summer, while letting in natural light and warmth in the winter. It's like having your own personal thermostat for the sun. One of the most impressive things about smart glazing is its ability to adjust to changing weather conditions. Whether it's a sudden rainstorm or a burst of sunshine, this technology can adapt to provide the perfect level of comfort. And with its sleek and modern design, it's a stylish addition to any conservatory. In addition to its functional benefits, smart glazing can also add a touch of sophistication to your conservatory. Imagine being able to control the sunlight with just the touch of a button, or enjoying a warm and cozy atmosphere on a chilly winter morning. It's the perfect combination of form and function. So what are some other innovative tips and tricks for maintaining a comfortable conservatory? One approach is to incorporate plants into your design. Not only do plants purify the air and create a calming atmosphere, but they can also help regulate the temperature and humidity levels. Another idea is to use color psychology to create a soothing ambience. By incorporating calming colors like blue or green, you can create a space that's perfect for relaxation. By incorporating these solutions and tips into your conservatory design, you can create a space that's perfect for relaxation and enjoyment. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance between comfort, functionality, and style. Thanks for joining me on this journey to creating the perfect conservatory. If you have any tips or experiences you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more home improvement inspiration, be sure to check out our other video on Conservatory Costs UK.